Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete WhatsApp account. To delete WhatsApp account on Android, follow this video. Open WhatsApp, log into your account if you haven't already. Then tap on the three dots icon which are located on the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings. And then tap Account. Then tap Delete My Account. Enter your phone number. Then tap Delete My Account. Now indicate your reason for wanting to delete your account. After that, tap Delete My Account. After deleting a WhatsApp account, you can't access previous messages as your account doesn't exist anymore. Plus, your contact can't message you on WhatsApp and you are automatically removed from everyone's WhatsApp. Always remember that deleting your WhatsApp backup will remove all your photos, videos, and previous chat records from the device. Your contacts will not be able to see your profile picture as it disappears after you delete a WhatsApp account. If someone new is finding your WhatsApp account using your name or phone number, then he or she will only see an invite button under your name. This shows that you are not on WhatsApp anymore. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.